Yes, student, anomalous or abnormal properties of beryllium. Student, during the study of alkaline earth metal, we have checked that the beryllium, which is the first element of the second group and the second period, it shows very abnormal, that is the different properties as compared to the element of the same group, that is the second group. This type of behavior shown by element is known as abnormal behavior. Now, which are these? Okay, so these are as first one, beryllium forms what? Covalent compound. Covalent compound like BeCl2 is a covalent compound, while other elements of the group, other elements forms what? Ionic compound like MgCl2 is an ionic compound, while the BeCl2 is a covalent compound. Okay, next one, beryllium do not directly reacts with hydrogen, although it forms hydride, but not directly reacts with hydrogen, while the other element of the group directly forms hydride. Okay, beryllium do not gives do not gives flame taste, or you can say flame coloration. Flame coloration. This is due to very small size, strong nuclear attraction force. You call it what? Nuclear attraction force, and high ionization enthalpy. High ionization enthalpy. While the other element, they gives the flame coloration. Flame coloration means when introduces to flame, it gives different type of colors. So all alkaline earth metal gives different type of color, but beryllium do not give any of the flame coloration. Student, in this way, like here, beryllium is a weaker reducing agent, very weaker reducing agent, or you can say it act as oxidizing agent, while the other element, okay, readily act as reducing agent. Fifth one, beryllium forms complexes. Okay, complexes, that is coordinate compound, while the other element do not form complexes. So student, in this way you can find. Okay, now the question for you, find few more properties and write it in your notes. Find few more properties. This is what assignment for you. Okay, now next topic is diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship of beryllium with what? Aluminium. Now student, you know that if you positioned the beryllium and magnesium, beryllium is present in second group, belongs to second period, while the aluminium belongs to third period and 13th group. So this relationship is known as what? Diagonal relationship. So few relationships are relations or similar nature of Be and Al are as, like first one, both do not affect by atmosphere. Okay, next one, both are highly hard, while the rest of the element are what? Actually soft, but beryllium and aluminium are quite hard in nature. Okay, both forms what? Amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxide, like aluminum oxide is what? Amphoteric in nature. It is also amphoteric in nature. So student, in this way, again I am giving you some questions. That is what? You have to find some properties in which the beryllium shows similarities with the aluminium. Getting? Like here, the beryllium cation and aluminum cations have a strong tendency to form chelate. Beryllium 2 cation and Al plus forms what? Chelate. Chelate, it is related to what? Complex. So they form what? Complex compound, but the rest of the element of beryllium group and aluminum group do not form. So again, this is assignment for you. Assignment. What? Find few more diagonal relationship between what? Beryllium and aluminium.